Hello and welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can change your Yahoo Mail account's password. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To change your Yahoo Mail account's password, start by going to your web browser, and once you do that, type in mail.yahoo.com. Press the enter on your keyboard, and if you are not signed into your account yet, make sure you are first. From your inbox page, tap on your profile picture at the upper right and click on Account Info. From the left-hand side menu, click on Account Security, and under Account Security, you'll be able to see a Change Password option. Click on Change Password, and on the next page, create a new password you want to change to. If you want to double-check your password before moving on, click on this button, and doing this will reveal your password so that you can double-check before continuing. After you're done, click on the Continue button, and you have successfully changed your Yahoo Mail account's password. Click on Continue, and that is it. You'll receive an email that you have changed your password successfully. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.